Hey everyone, I'm Trevor and today we're at the 4 Points by Sheraton. We're going to give you a hotel tour, a room tour, talk about walking to the park, going to Disneyland, that sort of thing. So let's get going. Well, here we are at the 4 Points by Sheraton. First thing we did, it's 9 in the morning. We just went in to check in. Now they don't have any rooms available for us just yet because it's not check-in time, but they allowed us to park our car. So we did that, we parked the car. Now we're gonna walk to the park. We're gonna let you know how long it is. This here is Harbor Boulevard. The hotel is right on Harbor Boulevard. In fact, I just walked this path like 3 or 4 weeks ago when I was up here for Oogie Boogie. I think it was even like 2 weeks ago. And I stayed at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel. And here is the 5. And you can see the Matterhorn right through there. So Amy just made a comment that this sidewalk makes her nervous because there's a turning lane right here. You can see that car straight up ahead in the turning lane. And they do kind of come zipping by. I didn't really notice it when I came by myself, but with the kids, it is more noticeable because we're worried about them getting too close to the edge. And within 4 minutes, we're already up to the Howard Johnson, which is another hotel we've stayed at. We make it our goal that every time we come to Anaheim and we stay overnight, we stay at a different hotel every single time so that you guys can see which hotels are the best in the area and so that we can be knowledgeable to tell you, oh yeah, you should go here instead of there. And here we are after just an 11-minute walk going through the Disneyland Resort Arch. When we first come in the hotel here, the check-in is going to be over off to our left. If we pan over to the right, they have the True Grits Modern American Asian Kitchen. This is their restaurant that they have available. Looks like lunch is 11 to 2 p.m. It's currently 2:45, so it's closed until dinner at 5 to 11 p.m. And they also have breakfast there as well, 6:30 to 10:30. But it is paid, it's not a free breakfast. And then it looks like they've got a pantry over here off to our right. So you can get some sandwiches, parfaits, fruit cups. We can see some of those down here. We've got some drinks as well. So little snack items that you can purchase. Looks like the pool is right out there, which is what we're gonna go avail ourselves of here shortly. Benjamin is zonkered asleep. Just past the doors for the pool are the elevators. We're on the 2nd floor, so we're gonna head on up. Ooh, a glass elevator. I like glass. We're gonna be down this way to our left. Looks like there's a pool view on that side, but we're gonna be now going to our right. Here's a parking lot right here. You can park if you're on this side of the building. We're right here, 247. And here is a look at our room. So we've got 2 beds, looks like a desk, quite a long desk actually. TV, oh look, 2 complimentary waters. I hope they're complimentary. It doesn't say complimentary. I wonder if it's one of those ones if you take it, they charge it to your room. Not sure on that. We've got a little sink area here and come on in here. Where's the light switch? Where's the light switch? I don't know. It must be on the outside. Here we go. Okay. So pretty simple, basic shower in here. Nothing to write home about as far as the shower goes. And yeah, this is it. Now let's check out what's over here in the closet. It looks like we've got some hangers here and an ironing board. Down here is a personal safe and a relatively small refrigerator. Not very cold at all. It's a recurring theme that we're noticing in hotels lately, not having cold refrigerators. We do have a coffee maker, and you know, I was almost hoping there was a microwave up here. I don't find hotels with microwaves a whole lot, and when we do, I get very excited about them, but nothing in that space up there. There's a microwave in the lobby? Excellent. So if you want to have some leftovers, that's the way that you can do it. Otherwise, it's just a look at our hotel room here. Oh, what do they have?
Earplugs.
Earplugs? So close to the freeway?
Yeah.
So we are right close to the freeway here. I mean, literally, I can see cars going by, and I can't hear them with the door closed. I can't hear them really at all, and especially once we get the air conditioner going, because it's not going right now. I think it'll be fine.
So that was one of the complaints about this hotel, actually. When I looked at the reviews, people were like, it's loud because of the freeway. However, that's just South Harbor, isn't it, right there?
That is Ball Road right there.
Ball Road.
Yeah.
It's possible if you're on the other side
on
of
the
this
harbor
hotel,
side.
on the harbor side, because you've got the 5 right
oh,
there.
the 5, yeah.
It might actually be noisy.
We're probably the furthest way from the 5 in this
nice.
room.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of hotels have been doing this lately, and I think it is great. They have plugs with just USB slots so that you don't have to take up an actual plug spot. You know, with your phone, you can just plug it into the USB. I like that because I always bring a fan with me, and I plug that in here. And if I bring my laptop, I plug that in here. And then that leaves 2 open spots for cell phones. It is very loud out here, though. I will say that. I mean, we just walked into this little tunnel area, so it's not quite as loud. But once you step outside the door, the traffic is definitely very loud. Well, out here by the pool, it looks like they've got a little bar area. It doesn't appear to be open just now. The TVs are on, though. And the pool is key card entry access needed. So, there we go. There you go. This is a very beautiful looking area. Check this out right here. How cozy is this? Very, very cute. Now, the view, on the other hand, not the greatest view. You're mostly staring at those trees. But actually, this is very relaxing. Ooh, I could get used to this. We come out here, and here's a look at the pool area. They do have a hot tub straight across the way there. Some nice views of the hotel from out here. And here's our little splash pad. And the key word here is little. This is the extent of the splash pad. As James called it, it's just an umbrella. I would call that like a mushroom. But just one of those types of things. And that's it. Here's just a look at their pool area. Very, very nice. Well, the water here at the pool was frigid. Amy didn't even get in, and after sitting in there for about 20 to 30 minutes, I still felt cold. Usually water feels warm after a little while, but nope, not this time. It wasn't a bad thing, like it was right on the edge of, uncomfortable and great. I didn't have any issues with it, but Amy didn't get in the pool. It was that cold for her. She just sat on the edge, but she still said that she got cooled down because she was sitting and her feet were in the water. So take that for what you will. This is definitely a little bit colder of a pool though, so be aware of that. The gift shop is open now. It's closed from 1 to 4, but it's open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Otherwise, from that 3-hour time frame. So just poking our head in here and seeing what's all available. Lots of shirts. Ooh, look at this. Bunch of hats.
Oh, I like that one, but it's a big one.
Yeah. This one's nice too. Well, we are currently on the 5th floor of our hotel, and you can see Disney California Adventure there straight ahead, and the peak that's peeking up right there, I think, is the Matterhorn. So we're waiting to see if we can see the fireworks from here really, really decently. We're on the other side of the hotel, our room is, but we decided to walk over to here since it's a open air hallway so that we can watch the fireworks from here. Well, the fireworks are actually right over here. Go down there. They're like really close to our hotel. Now that we are back in the room, I want to talk about that because it's just so noisy out there that I couldn't talk out there. So they shoot them off above the cast building. And in the back of my mind, I knew that, but it didn't quite equate. So we were looking at the park and then it started going off and it's like, oh, we're over here. I think our hotel might be the closest hotel to the location where the fireworks are shot off, which it was very, very loud. And those fireworks were up close, like really up close. Maybe some of the closest I've been to those big of fireworks. But call me weird. My favorite part was not the pretty lights or the display. My favorite part was the fact that I could feel each boom in my chest and that I could smell the fireworks wafting our way. Like, I was just like, ah. I don't know if it's a bad smell for you, like, chemically, but I like it. Love the smell of fireworks, and that was good. I'm glad we came back rather than waiting in the park. I'm so glad we came back to the hotel. So just a final review here of the 4 Points by Sheraton on Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. I thought that the walk to the park was doable compared to some other places that we've stayed, but it was still quite long. I think in the future, I would specifically try to get something closer to the park. The only reason why we picked this hotel to begin with is because one of our other favorites was canceled on us, and we had to book another one. And this one was affordable compared to a lot of the closer hotels. So that's why we went with this hotel. In terms of the sleeping conditions, the bed was comfortable. The pillows, I've had better pillows in other hotels, but it was still, quite a good sleep. The street, the cars going by outside didn't bother me whatsoever.
So the shower, it wasn't too bad. The water pressure was, it was super strong, but it was like in one little thing. But it did look like I could have adjusted the spout. I was just in a hurry this morning, so I took like one of those 5-minute showers. Otherwise, no, it was clean. Everything was good. They had the shampoo and conditioner and body wash, the kind that are mounted on the wall. So it's not the kind like some of the hotels where you can take it because you get the little bottles. But I feel like a lot more hotels are doing that now.
Well, that is it for our review here of the 4 Points by Sheraton. If you want to see more hotel reviews in the Disneyland area, hit the like and subscribe button. And also check out this playlist. I'm going to put a playlist right here where you can check out all of the hotel reviews that we have done here. We're adding more all the time. So I hope we'll see you around. Thanks for watching.